students, in last video we have studied about the higher order derivative. We have solved some problems related to higher order derivative. In this video also we are going to solve some problems related to higher order derivative. But the problems are show that type of problems. Okay? So students, let us solve the problems show that type of problems. The first problem is that if y equal to tan inverse y equal to e raised to m tan inverse of x, then show that 1 plus x square d2 square y by dx square plus 2x minus m dy by dx equal to 0. The problem is that if y equal to e raised to m tan inverse of x, then show that 1 plus x square d2y by dx square plus 2x minus m dy by dx equal to 0. Okay students, so let us consider what we have given. We have given that y equal to e raised to m tan inverse of x. Suppose this is 1. Okay. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. We get dy by dx equal to differentiation of e raised to m tan inverse of x with respect to x. Okay students, so differentiate this. To differentiate this according to e raised to x function, differentiate. Okay, instead of x there is m tan inverse of x, and therefore differentiation of e raised to x with respect to x is e raised to x. Only instead of x there is m tan inverse of x. Okay students, that's why differentiation of e raised to m tan inverse of x is e raised to m tan inverse of x. But see students, this m tan inverse of x is again differentiable function. That's why again differentiate it. Therefore into differentiation of m tan inverse of x with respect to x. Okay students, therefore dy by dx equal to e raised to m tan inverse of x into m as a constant, differentiation of tan inverse of x. You know the formula, that is differentiation of tan inverse of x with respect to x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. By using this formula we have to differentiate 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay students, that's why differentiation of tan inverse is 1 upon 1 plus x square, and hence dy by dx equal to m e raised to m tan inverse of x upon 1 plus x square. Okay students, if you observe that this value e raised to m tan inverse of x, okay, and this is the value of y. Okay students, this is the value of y from 1. This is the value of y from 1, and therefore put this value, we get dy by dx equal to m. This value is y from 1, that is my upon 1 plus x square. Okay students, now this is 2. Okay, this is 2. So what we have to prove? We have to prove that if this is a function, then 1 plus x square d2y by dx square 2x minus m dy by dx. Okay, so now this is dy by dx. Now differentiate this dy by dx again. So we will get the required that we have to prove. Okay, so some students will do u upon v function. Some students will shift this term, that is 1 upon x square, to that side and differentiate very easily by using u into v rule. Okay, so now shift this 1 plus x square to that side and we get that is 1 plus x square into dy by dx equal to my. This is again very simplified method, that we shift that 1 plus x square to that side and by using u into v rule we differentiate. Some students will use u upon v rule and differentiate. Anyway you can do. Okay, now suppose this is again our statement to differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate again with respect to x. We get. Okay, so this is u into v function. Okay students, this is one function, this is another function, by u into v rule. So put, that is by u into v rule, 1 plus x square is constant, differentiation of dy by dx, that is differentiation of dy by dx with respect to x, plus dy by dx is constant, differentiation of 1 plus x square with respect to x. Okay, equal to m is constant, differentiation of y with respect to x. And now we will get 1 plus x square, differentiation of y with respect to x is d2y by dx square, plus this is differentiation of dy by dx is constant here, dy by dx is constant here, and now differentiation of 1 plus x square, differentiation of 1 is 0, plus differentiation of x square with respect to x is 2x, equal to m is constant and that is dy by dx. Okay, now shift this term dy by dx to that side, we will get 1 plus x square d2y by dx square plus dy by dx into 2x, shift that term, that is minus m dy by dx, and at right side that is 0 now. Now 1 plus x square d2y by dx square plus common out dy by dx and we get 2x minus m into dy by dx, and that is equal to 0, and this is the required proof that we have to prove. We have to prove this in this way. We have proved. Okay students, in this way this is the prove that type of problem. Now the next one. The problem is that if y equal to log of y equal to log of x plus square root of x square plus a square raised to m, then show that x square plus a square d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx equal to 0. We have to prove this. If y equal to log of x plus x square plus a square raised to m, show that x square plus a square d2y by dx square plus x into dy by dx equal to 0. That we have to show. Okay students, so see here what we have given. We have given that y equal to log of x plus square root of x square plus a square raised to m. Okay, so by using log of m raised to n formula, that is n log of m. By using this formula, here y equal to m into log of x plus square root of x square plus a square. Okay students, this is y equal to m log of x plus square root of x square plus a square. Now differentiate y with respect to x. Differentiate y with respect to x. We get dy by dx equal to m is constant, differentiation of log of x plus square root of x square plus a square with respect to x. Okay students, so differentiation of log of x is 1 upon x. Differentiation of log of x is 1 upon x. So instead of x, this much term is there. Instead of x, this much term is there. And therefore dy by dx equal to m as a constant. Differentiation of log is 1 upon x plus square root of x square plus a square. Okay students, if you will see, then this function is again differentiable function. Again differentiate. Therefore into differentiation of x plus square root of x square plus a square with respect to x by using chain rule. Okay students, so this is again differentiable function, that's why again differentiate. Okay, and now this is equal to dy by dx equal to m upon square root of x plus square root of x square plus a square into differentiation of x with respect to x, and that is equal to 1. Okay students, plus differentiation of x square plus a square plus differentiation of square root of x square plus a square with respect to x. Okay, this is C student, this one is differentiation of x with respect to x. Okay, and now this is equal to m upon square root of x plus square root of x square plus a square into differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, and you know that square root of x, differentiation of square root of x with respect to x is 1 upon 2 root x. 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, by using this formula, differentiation of root of x square plus a square is 1 upon 2 root x square plus a square. But see students, again by using chain rule, this function is again differentiable function, and that's why into differentiation of square root of not square root, only differentiation of into differentiation of x square plus a square with respect to x. Please correct this thing students. Okay, because differentiation of square root of x square plus a square, the outermost function is the square root function. That's why according to the square root function we have differentiate here. Okay, and now the inner function is immediate function is x square plus a square, and that's why we differentiate this x square plus a square. Okay students, so now this is equal to m upon x plus square root of x square plus a square into 1 plus 1 upon 2 into square root of x square plus a square into, see students, differentiation of x square plus differentiation of a square. So differentiation of x square is 2x. Okay, and differentiation plus differentiation of a square, a is constant number, that's why its differentiation is 0, and that's why differentiation of x square plus a square, the whole differentiation is 2x here. Okay, these 2 get cancelled. Okay, and this is equal to m upon square root m upon x plus square root of x square plus a square into, here the term is 1 upon 1, and here see in both the terms the denominator is 1, and here square root of x square plus a square, and that's why in this term we will rewrite here so that you can understand betterly. Okay students, this is m upon x plus square root of x square plus a square. Okay, and into another term, the another term is 1 plus 2 get cancelled, x upon square root of x square plus a square. Okay students, now see here, this is 1 upon 1. In both the terms the denominator is 1, and here the denominator is x square plus a square. That's why we have to take LCM. The LCM will be, so in first term, that is m upon square root of x plus square root of x square plus a square. In this term the denominator will be x square plus a square, and now here multiply by using cross multiply, that is 1 into x square plus a square, that is x square plus a square square root of x square plus a square, by using cross, that is cross multiplication. Okay, and now 1 into x is plus x. Okay students, if you see the term, that is this term and this term get cancelled, the term get cancelled here. Okay, and we will get this is equal to, that is dy by dx equal to m upon square root of x square plus a square. This is dy by dx. This is dy by dx. Okay students, but what we have to prove? We have to prove this, that is x square plus a square d2y by dx square, and here square root of x square plus a square, and that's why if we squaring on both sides, that is after squaring on both sides, the term will get simplified and we will get the required proof easily. Okay, and that's why squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides, we get dy by dx whole square dy by dx whole square equal to m square upon x square plus a square. Similarly, this is the statement 2 and now we can differentiate. Okay, so in this step, some of the students will do by u upon v rule or by 1 upon x square plus a square by using they will differentiate here, or some students will shift this x square plus a square to that side and they will differentiate. That is also one of the easy way. So shift this x square plus a square to that side and we will get dy by dx whole square into x square plus a square equal to m square. This is again 2. Now differentiate again with respect to x. Differentiate again with respect to x. Now we get, this is again u into v function. So differentiation of dy by dx whole square, x square plus a square is constant, plus dy by dx whole square is constant, and differentiation of x square plus a square with respect to x equal to differentiation of m square with respect to x. Okay students, now see, this is equal to, so differentiation of dy by dx whole square by using power rule, that is x raised to n formula. The n is 2 here and therefore dy by dx raised to 2, that is 2 into dy by dx raised to 2 minus 1 is 1, and into differentiation of dy by dx with respect to x. Note this step students, every time you have to note this step. Plus into this x square plus a square is constant, plus dy by dx whole square is a constant, and differentiation of x square is 2x, plus differentiation of a square is 0 because a is constant number. Differentiation of m square is 0, that is also constant number, and this is equal to 2 into dy by dx. Differentiation of y with respect to dy by dx with respect to x is d2y by dx square, okay, into x square plus a square plus 2x into dy by dx whole square equal to 0. Okay.